This is the video for number 3 from the H8-10 homework. We're asked to factor everything completely, so we have x to the 4th minus 4x to the 3rd plus x squared minus 4x. So we're just practicing trying to factor it by grouping. First thing though, we still need to check, is there a greatest common factor that appears in all of the terms, right? Because we have that x to the 4th, we have an x to the 3rd here, an x squared, and an x there. So in this case, before we actually try to start breaking it apart here, I see that I've got an x that I can take out first, right? The greatest common factor is x, leaving me with an x to the 3rd minus 4x squared plus x minus 4. Now, x obviously can't be factored anymore, but now we can look at this group of 4 terms here and say, can we factor that more? So we're going to say here, this is like x, and then I'm going to take it here and I'm going to group the first 2 terms, x to the 3rd minus 4x squared, plus we have the x minus 4 here. And our greatest common factor in here looks to be an x squared. So when we take this and rewrite this, I've got x. Inside of here, I've got an x squared I'm pulling out, and the leftover part would be an x minus 4. And then we have plus, we still have an x minus 4 over here. That doesn't factor anymore. So again, remember, this is like having a 1 here. So when we factor out this x minus 4 that is in both of these terms, okay, what we're going to have here then is, I'm going to leave this x outside here still. I'm still keeping my brackets for the moment. I'm going to have an x minus 4, right? And then the part that's left over is the x squared plus 1. So I have x to the 4th times the quantity of x squared plus 1. And then I can go ahead here, since there's not really anything else happening with those brackets, I can drop them, and I'm going to have for my final answer x times the quantity of x minus 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 1. Remember, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, but because it's adding, we can't factor it anymore. So that would be our answer. If questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.